Annotation tools using Destiny Reads. Begin in Macavia by searching for your book title. Tap the blue button, Open Now. You will now be directed to Follett Shelf. Sign in using your network credentials and tap Submit. Now your book is available online. Tap the right-hand corner to get your menu bar. Tap the icon of the book with the check mark. Tap to check out your book. Now open the Destiny Reads app on your iPad. You will find your book once you're logged in. Tap Open. Now you're ready to read and use the annotation tools. Tap the right top corner of your screen to get the toolbar again. As you're reading, to make a note, tap and select a word. Tap Add Note, select your color, and start typing to add your notes. Click Save. As you are reading, you can go through the same process to add your own notes throughout your book. To view your notes, tap the note icon again. Here are all of your notes. Sort by color or by date. When you open your book, your notes will be saved. Don't forget to remove your book when you're done reading.